Hello friends, I'm Subhi from Pay Maths Classes. Welcome to my channel. Hope the previous video was useful to everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss grade 8 linear equations in one variable exercise 2.4, question number 7 and 8. Please watch the video completely, share, please do subscribe and like. And if you have any doubt, please do comment, children. Thank you. We are discussing question number 7. Exercise 2.4 linear equation in one variable grade 8. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for uniforms. Shirt material that cost rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? That's a really interesting question. And in this question, there are two items. One is shirt and the other is trouser. So we can take them as two different. Okay. First, I'm considering shirt material and then trouser material. So, children, you can see that Hassan buys for every 3 meter of shirt material, he buys 2 meters of trouser. So, 3 meters of shirt material he buys. So, we can take the shirt material, let the shirt material be, let it be 3x, because for every 2 meters of trouser material he buys 3 meters of shirt. So we are considering the material quantity as 3x, and here we can consider it as 2x. So for every 3 meters of shirt, he buys 2 meters of trouser. Hope that much is clear to you. Then, they have given the sales price for 1 meter shirt material cost 50 and trouser material cost 90. So we can find the sale price of 1 meter of shirt. Sales price of 1 meter cloth shirt material, that is given it as 50, and trouser, the corresponding trouser SP will be 90 rupees. Okay, this is 50 rupees and 90 rupees. Then they have given that this Hassan sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. So he is taking 12% profit for this shirt material and 10% for the next one, the trouser. Okay, so that is the given value here. So we can find the sales price of 1 meter cloth will be equal to 50 into, here he uses 10% of, so 50 and his profit. So 50 plus 50 is the cost of 1 meter cloth and plus 10% of 50, that is his profit. So 50 plus 10 by 100 into 50. So we are able to find it is 55 rupees. Same way we can find the trouser material, how much it is possible. SP is equal to 90 is the cloth material and he is taking 12% of profit, that is 12% of 90. is equal to 90 plus 12 by 100 into 90. 30. We can find it is 90 plus 12 nines are, we can find what is 12 nines. It is 108. 12 nines are 108. So 108 by 10. Children, you will get here 10. 10.8. So the total is 100.8 rupees. That is the selling price of actually 1 meter cloth. And this is the selling price of 1 meter shirt. He is taking a 10% profit. That's why it becomes 55. And trouser, it is 100.8. And we know that he is buying 3x meters of shirt material. So the sales price of, going to rub question. The sales price of 3x meters of shirt material. That will be equal to, we know, 3x into 55. The same way you can find SP for the SP of 2x meters of trouser material. That is equal to, definitely we know that the total length is 2x. So 2x into 100.8. So that much we got. And now we can do multiplication and find how much it is. So this, when I do multiplication, that is 55 into 3, I got 165x. And here when you do multiplication, you will get 201.6x. So the total, we can find the total. That is, total sale happened is 165x plus 201.6x. So when you add these two, you will get 366x. Sorry, 366.6x. And but they have given that already. They have given that this equal to 36,600 rupees. This much x. That is, total sale is equal to 36,600. They have already given. So we can find x from this one, which is equal to 36,600 divided by 366.6. So you will get answer 100. Therefore, the question asks how much trouser material Hassan buys. So we can find Hassan buys, 2x times, is it? 2x meters of trouser materials. So which is equal to 2 into x value is 100. So we got 200 meters. So Hassan buys 200 meters of this trouser material. And we can say 300 meters of shirt material also. Okay. Okay, children, please learn this question carefully. Hope all of you understood. Okay, now we can discuss question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in a field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Here we need to find the number of deer in the herd. So that we are going to take it as x. Let x be the number of deer in the herd. Number of deer equal to x. Now we can see half of the herd. So there are three different types of deers are here. Some are grazing in the field. They are grazing in the field some, and some are playing nearby, and 9 deers are drinking water from the pond. So some group of deers are doing different activities. Okay, they are doing different activities. So we can consider them as 3 groups. So half of the herd, definitely we know that if total number is x, then half will be x by 2. Suppose there are 100 deers are there. So you know that 100 by 2, 50. Half means it is 50. Okay. The same way here we consider the number of deers as x. So there are x by 2 herds. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. So they are grazing in the field. Grazing in the field is x by 2. Now, children, we can look into the remaining, and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Now we need to find out how many are playing. So remaining. So suppose there are 60 number of deers are there. Among that, half is grazing in the field, means 30 are grazing in the field. Then what is the remaining in that one? Definitely it will be 30. Is it? Same way here, x by 2 is grazing in the field. So definitely the remaining part is x by 2. Hope the concept is clear to you. So remaining half, among that 3/4 of the remaining. So 3/4 means you need to write 3 by 4 of means into. So that means here 3x by 8. 3 into x, 3x and 4 into 2, 8. So 3x by 8 are playing nearby. And now the rest 9 are drinking water. So how many are drinking water? Drinking water, there are 9 people. And we know that the total number of deers is, we took it as x. So we can make an equation based on this. Definitely when you add this 1, 2, 3, grazing, playing, drinking, you will get the total number. Correct? So we can write it as, we can make the equation. First is grazing in the field, x by 2. Then playing means 3x by 8 plus remaining 9. All together, when you add all this, you will get x, because x is the total number of deer. Okay, hope it's clear to you, and we need to solve this equation. What we need to do. So for solving this equation, we can bring all the x terms to the LHS. So this x, if you take it to the LHS, it becomes minus x, and I'm going to take this plus 9 to the other side, it becomes minus 9. So here 2 and 8 are the denominators, and we know if 2 and 8 are the denominators, we know the LCM. So LCM is 8, and we need to bring all the terms in terms of the LCM. That is, here 8 means 2 into 4. So we need to multiply the numerator also with 4. So it becomes 4x by 8. Hope all of you remember the concept. That is 4 into 2 is 8 and 4 into x. Here no need to do the multiplication. Let it be the same, because 8 is the denominator part. And minus and x value. X is, you know that 8 is the denominator. So we can rewrite this as 8x by 8, which is equal to minus 9. And now we can solve this. That is, directly we can solve 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 is definitely it is minus 1. Is it? Minus 1 x, or we can write it as simply x equal to minus 9. And so x equal to minus 9 into, you can bring this to the minus to the other side, so it becomes minus 8. So we got x value is 72. There are 72 days in that herd. Okay. Hope this concept is clear to you. Learn well.